birthday na. Masaya-masaya kami ng mami mo, buong pamilya natin, mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat at dumating ka sa buhay.
At si Mami ang iiyak. Happy birthday, baby! Mami ang iiyak. Mami, hindi pa siya mag-aasawa. First birthday pa lang.
Nako, speechless na si Mommy. Hindi na-preserve yung tears. Mommy, first birthday pa lang po, di pa siya magpapakasal. Okay lang yan. Alright, if we have our Mommy Jen, I'm sure we wish you all the best. She wish you all the best. Good health, bright future, baby. Alright, more love. Okay, more kapatid to come. Next on the list. Alright, let's give a big hand for Sissy Happy Alright! Additional fun for everyone! One big round for the baby shower!
Bayaw, baby.